The University of Wisconsin System Math Initiative began in 2017. This initiative was designed to be a partnership with UW system institutions. We have since engaged more than 350 faculty, staff, and administrators from many different roles across the system. Here are a few who talk about how this partnership extends across their academic programs and other units such as advising and institutional research, and how those interactions support student success.
I do think that we've really made a very collaborative effort, and it's been an opportunity for folks to work with people outside their discipline and outside their institution, and definitely with people in roles very different than their own. Sometimes as a faculty member, you sort of get bogged down in the ground level work, right? And this is an opportunity where you really start to think about how it fits into a bigger picture.
I think that this collaborative opportunity to talk across disciplines is necessary because we may take for granted how they're using the mathematics in different areas and in different degree pathways. And so this opens up the conversation to know which math is most meaningful and applicable in a progression of learning for these students to ensure that they are prepared to use the mathematics effectively and efficiently in their career fields.
I think leading up to the math initiative, from an advising standpoint, and I think a lot of people think along those lines, it's just like, what are the boxes that students need to hit, in order to graduate? And so I think what this initiative has done for me, and I think the conversations that are also happening on my campus, is that we've prioritized moving one of those boxes to the into the first year.
We started on campus talking about it as a math department, but the different departments on campus that we started talking with from different academic offices to see if our math classes were fitting their program needs, to talking to advising to make sure that our pathways was communicated consistently to the registrar's office, where maybe the barrier there is, are we making it hard for people to come into our university because we're not accepting their math classes? And then you're also looking at the placement testing office, and are we creating a barrier by just looking at the test score of the math placement score, or can we look at more measures, the multiple measure idea, and look at a student more holistically.
It has allowed me to talk to our different partner disciplines and talking about their mathematical needs. It has also helped us look at multiple measures data. Is our developmental math sequence working for our students? Are students in the right courses? I think it has allowed our department to have kind of conversations around equity and access to our courses.
This initiative is different than other UW system initiatives in providing that really strong support for data analysts to be working on campus as well as across the system and with the UW system data office. And we so often these days have questions about student success that really we could benefit from a deep dive into the data. This initiative has allowed us to make these questions a high priority for the campus. And again, I think we're going to make strides in our data collection and analysis processes on campus that will affect other student success initiatives as well. So that's been huge.
UW System is initiating system-wide change, supporting innovative instruction, and investing in student success. It's all in Wisconsin, the University of Wisconsin System.